Hope you're doing well. I am working with my black ready mix pouring paint on my canvas. As you can see, I am using my hair blower to spread the paint on the canvas, and as well I want to spread the paint so that it serves as my base color. Honestly, before planning to do this, I was so skeptical because I wasn't sure if I am able to finish this project. But of course, if you have goal in your project, of course, you can do ways in order to fulfill your wants. I struggled with this black paint because it's not enough to fill my whole canvas. But then, it is what it is, so I want to try something else so that I will be able to fulfill my wants in this project. Anyways, I'm not a professional paint artist, just so you know, but I love exploring and learning by doing, so expect imperfection in this output. On top of my black paint, I pour turquoise color and a bright blue color, and then followed by the white color. And after the white color, I added a little bit turquoise again. At first, I didn't know how this color combination would come out, but it actually ended up being one of my favorites. So I'm blowing on the right side and the left side of that paint, and I am waiting for the result. If it's nice, it's beautiful, but then it ended up with a beautiful color combination. Honestly, in this kind of painting, it actually depends on you on how you move your hair blower until you achieve your own preference design. For me, I'm just kind of moving upwards, downwards, sidewards because, I'm enjoying how the colors spread beautifully. The size of my canvas is 24 by 18, and the brand of this one is Artist Loft. Including all my paints that I use, the colors are black color and bright blue color, and then the turquoise, and then the white color. They are all Artist Loft, and I bought it from Michael's. As you can see, it's the same procedure and the same color combination, and just continue until you fill in the space from your canvas with the same color. If you want to add different color combination, it's totally up to you, but then you have to be careful and you have to use a certain colors that fits on your first color combination. It is not yet done, but then I'm just showing you how the colors perfectly mix together. Well, I hope you enjoy my video, and I believe you can also do it. As long as you try your best, you are never a failure. Thank you and have a great day.